Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix unable to join the Wi-Fi network error on iPhone or iPad. Solution 1. Reset network settings. This process will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 2. Turn off and on airplane mode. Open Control Center on your iPhone, turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off back. Solution 3. Reboot your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Shutdown, dragging the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 4. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from power source and wait for some time, then plug it back to power source and try again. Solution 5. Check for software update. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps. Press and hold sleep or wake button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 7. Reset all settings. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.